Welcome everyone, and this is a tutorial video on how to factorize a quadratic equation where a is bigger than 1. I was teaching a student and made some Excalibur notes, and I thought it'd be a good idea to record a video and upload it so other people can learn from this if they don't understand the usual method that is being taught nowadays. So I must confess that this method was taught to students back in the early 2000s, and I caught wind of this when I was younger in high school during the 2005 and 2010 era, and I do confess it's probably a boomer old method to solve quadratics where a is bigger than 1. So we'll get straight into it, and for me it's much easier to understand this method than what is being touted nowadays and taught by teachers throughout the UK. So we'll start off with the standard at the top. The standard format for a quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, usually when a is equal to 1, so for example we have x squared plus 10x plus 7, we can easily factorize this by finding two numbers that multiply to make 7 and also add together to make 10 in this case. So they multiply to make c and they add together to make b in the standard format for a quadratic equation. So then you can see I've got x plus 2 and x plus 5. And if we were solving this, if this was to equal 0, then I would get x equals minus 2 and x equals minus 5. But for now, we're going to move on to the actual example for this video, which is 2x squared plus 8x plus 8. Now, the first thing we want to do is we're going to multiply a and c, and we get that number. So here it is 2 times a equals 16. So a is 2. And c is 8, so we get 16. And now what we do is we revert to the original method that we used to do before, meaning when a is equal to 1. So now we need two numbers that multiply to make a times c, which in this case is 16, and add to make b, which is 8 in this case. So the two numbers in this case are 4 and 4, right? So 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 plus 4 makes 8. So then what we do is we split the equation in half. We split b into two numbers we have found. So a equals 4 plus 4. So I change the equation from 2x squared plus 8x plus 8 to 2x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 8. So we split this equation in half. Once I split it in half, we factorize each half of the equation by taking out the common factors. And it's very, very simple, very, very easy, right? So for 2x squared plus 4x, I take out the common factor. So I get 2x and then x plus 2 on the inside. 4x plus 8, I factorize this, take 4 out, and we got x plus 2. Now, what we're looking for, what's the most important point in all of this, is we are looking for these two brackets to be the same. Now, if we come across a question where the two brackets are not the same, so there's further examples that you may try, and if you do try this method, the two brackets are not the same, then it's most likely to do with the arrangement of your splitting of b. So if these two numbers are the same, so it all works out. But for example, if I had a plus 5x and a plus 7x on either side, it may be that I have to switch it around. So I'll get plus 7x on the left-hand side instead, and plus 5x on the right-hand side. It might be that I need plus 5x and plus 7x on the left and then the right, respectively. So then these brackets will match up. So if you haven't matched up the brackets, then what you need to do is you need to swap these two numbers around and then factorize again, and then you'll get the correct numbers or the same bracket. Now, what this essentially means is that once I've factorized it, I've got 2x of x plus 2, and I've got 4 of x plus 2. So that means x plus 2 is going to be one bracket, and whatever numbers are in front, that will be the second bracket. So all we do is make one bracket our common bracket, which is in this case x plus 2, and the other bracket will be the numbers in front of the brackets, x plus 2 and 2x plus 4, and that is how we factorize quadratic equations that have an a bigger than 1. Please leave any questions in the comments, and if you want me to make another video on an example where maybe this method won't work and you need to swap around the two numbers, then I can also do that. But for now, I thought I'd make a quick video just showcasing my Excalibur notes. If you are interested in some sort of tutoring, then please do check out the website and the link on the bio for Tutorium Education, and I look forward to making more videos for you guys in the future.